Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do the review of the Xiaomi Mi A2, the latest phone which is coming with the Snapdragon 660, and I'm going to do the review of this phone, and later on in the video I'm going to show you the video samples plus as well the camera sample of this phone. So after watching this video you'll be able to know that how the camera samples and how is the review of this phone. So I'm your friend Manish and I'm watching Technical Chaharji, so let's get started with the video.
This is Mi A2 and it's coming with the specification of Snapdragon 660. From Mi A1, the front camera is of 20 megapixel, plus the rear camera is of 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel camera. It's coming with the 5.99 full screen display and it's coming with the selfie light. Plus the memory is expandable up to 64 GB plus 128 GB and includes the soft case as compared to Mi A1. This is the Xiaomi Mi A2. From the side you can see a screen of 5.99 inches, and from the side you can see the camera slots and the memory slots, and plus your SIM tray slots, which you can expand your memory up to 64 GB. So which I'm holding is of 4 GB plus 64 GB variant of the phone, and on the side you can see the volume rocker button up and down and the power on and off button. So from the back side, this is the camera of the 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel plus the fingerprint sensor and the Mi branding, and it's coming with the Android One program. And of the top you can see the two button switches of the mic and advantages of the IM blaster, because the Xiaomi phone is mainly used for your remote control devices of all the home placed appliances of your phone. So let's go to the settings and show you what kind of Android is coming with this phone. So the battery, if I talk about, is of 3010 mAh, and I've charged it almost in the evening, and after almost 16 hours it's showing up the battery backup is still left. And let's go to the about of this phone, so to show you what kind of Android is coming and what kind of updates we are getting. So over here you can see the system update is showing that I can update this phone to Android 8.1.0. and if I talk about the security patch which I got, it is of the August 5th 2018. So let me go to the camera. Let me show you some of the samples which I've taken with this camera, and this is from the back camera. Let me take some of the selfie from the self camera, and let me show you that how the selfie is looking with this phone, as Xiaomi is mainly looking for is for the selfie cameras only. So this is from the front camera, that how the phone is looking, and this is the some of the camera sample which I've taken, and you can see the images, how the images are performing with this device.
This is the video from the front camera, and you can able to see the little bit of darkness in this video. Even let me just move around so you can see the clarity. As I move around in the artificial light, little bit of clarity is there, but not up to that new mark.
So though my first impression, and after taking out the camera samples came out to be little bit of okay, not of that great quality, even though I made a video in the artificial light and you can clearly able to see the dark spots on the video. And from my angle, if you're still planning to buy the Xiaomi Mi A2 or the Redmi Note 5 Pro, you should go with the Redmi Note 4 5 Pro because of the fun feature which is coming with that. This is from that little bit of the 3.5mm jack which is coming with the Redmi Note 5 Pro, plus the picture quality of the Redmi Note 5 Pro is pretty much clear than the Xiaomi of Mi A2, and you're also getting a better battery backup with Redmi Note 5 Pro. So I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, do comment below, and don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.